Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change payout method in eBay. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply open the website and on the top left corner you will be able to see account settings option. Simply click on it and now as you can see there's an option called payment, and from here you can change the payment method. You can add your credit card or your debit card from here. You just need to put the information here and just click on continue. You can also do that by click on the add button here. You just need to put the information here. If you have a Visa card, a MasterCard or American Express or Discover, you just need to simply type the card number, the expiration date, security first name and last name properly. So that's how you can change your payment method in eBay. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.